This 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air was filmed at the 2023 Camaros and Firebirds Car Show in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. Let us know what you think about it in the comments. See more from the 2023 Camaros and Firebirds Car Show in Maggie Valley, North Carolina by clicking the link near the end of this video or go to the playlists on our page. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for free to our YouTube channel to see all of our upcoming videos. As always, thanks for taking the time to watch our videos.